Hey guys, Max here with another quick review of Ozito Line Trimmer Viper Snipper. It's a battery operated Viper Snipper. So what's in the box is the Viper Snipper itself with a user manual. There's no battery inside. It comes with 10 blades, extendable handle, which I can show you here. And it has an adjustable head with a trigger. It can adjust it in 3-4 ways, which is not a bad thing. Well, package doesn't. What is not included in the package is the battery itself. So what it says on the cardboard box, it's a 240mm cutting width and rotating head, adjustable secondary handle, and 10 trimmer blades. So it has 5 years replacement warranty as Ozito, other Ozito products. Let's go and have a look how it works. Okay guys, the bottom line, it's a lightweight, light duty Viper Snipper. The battery lasts for about half an hour. My battery is a 1.5 amp battery. The good thing is it's light. You don't have the hassle of messing with a 2-stroke petrol engine, which I have done most of my Viper snipping job with a 2-stroke. But the starting of a 2-stroke petrol Viper Snipper is a big issue sometimes with some Viper Snipper, especially when you want to do it after something like 2-3 months. So this one you don't have that problem, but it's not powerful enough for a big yard. For a small, if you live in a apartment or a small house with a small backyard, this is a perfect tool for your gardening. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. See ya.